Welcome to Capacity Connect. My name is Alexis Smart and I'm a technical officer with Root Change. Capacity Connect is a collaborative platform designed by Root Change and Lomé. The platform maps in real time organizations and individuals working in the capacity development sector. Some of these actors include civil society organizations, NGOs, donors, technical support organizations, and private enterprises. In mapping the capacity development sector in countries and regions throughout the world, we aim to identify gaps in knowledge, resources, and collaboration which may exist within the ecosystem. We hope that these findings will inform the programs and policies of USAID and other international development donors and agencies. To register with Capacity Connect, you can follow the link in your invitation email. Once you have created an account, you will arrive here where you will see different collaboration area surveys. So each of these surveys explores different ways actors are partnering and collaborating together in your network. For example, we are examining collaboration around mobilizing resources, citizen mobilization, and advocacy. By describing your relationship with others in the network, you can discover your level of influence and the roles of key actors in the sector. To fill out a survey, you can follow the link. Here is a survey for mobilizing resources. So in the first step, you want to describe, out of all of these organizations here, which ones have you gone to in the last 6 months for help with mobilizing resources to support your projects and programs. After you have done this step, you will have an opportunity to identify additional individuals, organizations, institutions, or agencies who you have gone to in the last 6 months for help with mobilizing resources to support your projects and programs. You can write in the names of the organizations here and describe your relationship. In the third step, you will be able to invite these additional organizations to join the network by entering a contact email of a representative from this organization. They will automatically be sent an invitation to join Capacity Connect and describe their relationships with you and others in the network. Once you finish the survey, you have an opportunity to see the visualization of the network for mobilizing resources. So here we can see different organizations and who they are partnering with. Each of these arrows represents a relationship between two different organizations. If we want to see the whole ecosystem, we can select the other collaboration areas here on the side. Doing so will add these relationships to the map. So now we can see the whole ecosystem for capacity development for Tanzania. Highlighting each of these different collaboration areas, you can see the relationships on the map. So here, for example, are just the relationships for mobilizing resources. We can also highlight different types of organizations within the ecosystem who are collaborating within the civil society sector. So here we can see, for example, Root Change is highlighted as they are a civil society organization. Lastly, you are able to identify different key actors within the ecosystem. So here we can see who are the resource hubs. These are actors who are most often identified in the network as opinion leaders and information hubs. By highlighting resource hubs, the size of the node for that organization will increase based on how large of a resource hub they are within the system. We can also identify active networkers. So these are organizations who reach out to many others in the system, and they serve as active promoters and distributors of information and resources. So after you've had a chance to interact with the map, you want to make sure you return to the different collaboration area surveys and respond to each of them. This will allow you to describe your relationship along these different important areas of collaboration within the civil society sector and allow you to then identify key actors such as resource hubs and active networkers, brokers, and influencers for these different areas of collaboration. We hope that you find this platform useful, and we look forward to hearing your feedback on how we can improve this resource for you and your community. For questions and comments, please email us at capacityconnect@rootchange.org.